back 3, this the greatest. But I never see no niggas ever famous. Facts, boy. Judge, boy. 10 fake babe, please face this, boy. Tell these niggas they don't never do shit.
Sunlight beats the morning's calling, the tears dry silently. Yeah. So do you feel no shine? So do you know my name when you say that? Do you feel no shine?
Lines of these perilous times, confusion bonds of minds and world leaders. We need a sign, a ray of hope through this dark cloud of injustice. Motherfuck this city of gold at the foreign is lusting. Jewel encrusted green feeds apocalypse. Can't you see the blips on the radar? Missile hits overconfident. War strategists became the catalyst. Angry capitalists and stock markets fast. Gotta get it ready. My body is so steady, heart heavy from living so long in these last days. Crusades of self, gotta selling ourselves short. Gotta avoid lifestyles that innocent. We let the mic breathe like the dying breeze. In need, we feed words that breed hope, maneuver past the greed. Indeed, we made the eagle fly. We made freedom cry by watching them try to save in the eye. Fucking alibi, we was there on the balcony and shots flare. My vision was scarred, but we still had something for the people, y'all. Do you remember when Martin had a dream and Bobby had a regiment? It's evident the struggle's on. My thoughts are settling. I gotta play the ball. Ain't no other role. I'm better than words and better than revolutionary medicine. I took one pill and the shit was on ever since. I'm trying to keep an open mind. In the wilderness, I hold a sign. Wisdom is war and it's open mind. Older minds put me on. Tourism priceless. The fight opposite the whirlwind till you're lifeless. Look, the game plans to defeat the man. Fuck trying to beat the man. I navigate seas and to freedom land. Get at me, people, if you're trying to soothe the pain. But if not, move over, cause I'm trying to see change. It's the raven that never came back to the ark. Hanging out with the viper at the garden and eating that angered the god. Moon eclipsing the star. Precise one reborn, scorned by human flaws. So who is this saying that money is bliss? Your logic will miss. You and the devil about to kiss. I dismiss. Motherfuckers leading the brothers through streets and gutters, overflowing from tears for my mothers that fall as they witness the death of their children. Why they alive and realize they fell victim to American nightmare? Daring to dream things ain't never what they seem. Can we ever redeem? Hold on to old principles and still remain